Hi, my name is Ryan. Um, Recently we released AI agents feature, and I just want to share how I view AI and LMM in general in terms of um, as a technology. So when AI came out, I really didn't like it. I think AI was a disaster. It's gonna end everything, right? It's gonna destroy my career as a developer. It's gonna replace everyone's job. So I was freaking out when I saw how capable the ChatGPT was, like a few years ago, and I thought it was it's end of my career, end of everything. It's pretty depressing. And also, these AI companies they don't have a really good narrative when it comes to marketing. Um, this is a okay. So this is what every AI company is doing right now. Their marketing slogan is that we built this fancy thing, and this thing is gonna replace you. It's gonna destroy your career. It destroy your family, destroy your livelihood, and yeah, just buy us now, get 20% discount. What do you mean? If I buy your products, it's gonna destroy my career. Why would I buy your products? So we build this negativity towards the AI tools. So, but at the same time, you can't really run away from it. That's a reality. You cannot bury my head under the sand. When you face these kind of difficulties, sometimes you have to face it and look into the eyes of enemies and see what we can do about it. So I've been thinking a lot, like a lot about AI. I think I spent a lot of time, a lot of hours thinking about AI, how the future will be with AI. So that's why I have some thoughts about AI. So I'd like to share with you before, since we announced this AI tool for RightPlace, I think I also should share some of my ideas and my ideology about AI, how I view AI. I think AI is a neighbor's dog. Neighbor's dog. I like dogs. Dogs are cute. They're loyal and very nice. But I just don't like neighbor's dog. They might bite you. I don't trust other people's AI. Sorry, other people's dog. Same as AI. I don't trust other people's AI. That's how I feel. That's why we build the agent editor to make you think that this AI is yours. Not just only make you think. We want you to take whole control of this LMM model. We want to demystify what so-called AI is. To be honest, I don't call them AI. I just call them LMM. It is LMM. It's agents built on LMM. It would take a while to be qualified as an intelligent. So at this stage, it is still a tool that you can run errands in the digital realm. So I'd like to share a short story about AI. Let me share the screen. I think in the future, the most important thing about AI product is its interface. Its interface. So when it comes to building an AI application, including RightPlace, Husky Agent, if you watch another video, you will see how Husky Agent works from the surface level. Husky Agent is very, very convenient. So I'm using it right now. So basically what I do is to tell Husky Agent a whole bunch of things to do, and it just does it in the background, and I can keep doing what I'm working on. Let's say I'm building a page using Bricks Builder. I'm just building a page, and I forgot to update a plugin. I just tell Husky Agent that, hey, just update that plugin or whatever, those kind of chores. Husky Agents will take care of it. But when I do that, I'm actually using an interface. That interface, one of the interface is called English. So English is interface. Because we have English, we can communicate and understand each other. So that is the most important thing. Without interface, we cannot really, communicate properly, right? Oh, so why doesn't it show it? Okay. Anyways, that's Korean. So Korean, Korean is also a language. So that's my first language, my mother tongue. We can have English here is also interface. So without human language, it's really difficult. It's impossible to communicate with large language model. We call it a large language model, right? But here's the thing. Not every human thought is made of language. Some we have, I think a language is only part of a human consciousness. It's only part of human thinking. But because we have this interface called English, we can communicate with AI. So when it comes to application, the one important thing is a UI. UI will become more and more important when we work on something. That's what I think. That's what I believe right now. So I just want to propose that interface is everything when it comes to AI application. That's how we will be building RightPlace app. So, okay, give you another simple analogy to help you understand this. I love to give the airplane analogy. So, I think airplane is the best object when it comes to describing the perfect AI application. So airplane. So imagine this, right? Imagine this. This airplane has autopilot. Autopilot is earliest form of AI, artificial intelligence, to allow pilots to fly this thing, the gigantic, I don't know how heavy this is. It's a gigantic structure on air without having pilot to control it. The pilot can go to washroom, can sleep. I don't know. They shouldn't be sleeping, but they are just, it's autopilot. I have a friend who is a retired a pilot. His name's Don. He's an awesome guy, and he told me a lot about the airplane, also autopilot. One thing he told me is that he doesn't really like a certain type of airplane because it's so automated that it doesn't give you the mechanical feedback much. So it feels like you're not working on anything. It doesn't have this mechanical feeling when you steer the thing. So the one he liked is the one that's simulating that mechanical feeling when he is on the wheel, right? Do you call it a wheel? I don't know. But now we're in the AI age. Let's imagine an app, AI app, or airplane that has no AI in it, no autopilot in it. Okay, let's imagine there's no autopilot. Everything is humanly done. Then it's basically the kamikaze, right? You are not only pilot, you're a bomb too. You're airplane plus bomb, and it does everything. It's or another image I can think about is a North Korean labor camp. They don't have a machine. Everything's done with a human. Okay, everything's a human. Everything's so human. Everything's so manual. You're not only airplane. You're a bomb. You're not only you're everything. You're fork lane. You're the machine. You see the North Koreans. They don't have a machine. Everything's done with the hands. So imagine the pilot who has no autopilot. He'll be super tired, and he's probably not gonna make any pilot jokes, right? So the broadcast will be like, "Hi everyone, I'm so tired. I'm gonna land this airplane. I couldn't sleep for 16 hours to steer this thing." Then we probably have a very, very tired pilot. We don't want that, right? That is a traditional software. I wouldn't even call it software. Some of software were created just for you to do data entry, for you to click things. I was working in a company before. I know how it feels. The software was created just to make you click them. Your job is clicking it and do all the things, all the clicks on the software. And the software actually is not very efficient. My job is data entry and click things and click useless things. Nothing's automated, everything's human. I felt a part of machine instead of a human. So I felt actually more dehumanized using that kind of software rather than having some degree of automation. Okay, so imagine airplane without autopilot. It's gonna be disaster. It's gonna be disaster for human. The work will suck so much. But now think about airplane that is completely automated. You look like something like this. This is a car. It's a concept car. Well, I don't even know how to describe this. So you're a pilot. You walk into this cockpit. There's nothing, no wheels, no buttons, nothing. It's just a smooth leather wall with the Airbus or Boeing mark on it. What is this? What happened? What? Yeah, you'd be funny, and you're just sitting there with your co-pilot, sitting there as two adults, sitting on a chair, staring at this leather seat for 12 hours. But thing is that, wow, what if something happens? What if something the autopilot doesn't work? That you have to steer it. Good luck with that. You can't do it. You can't really do anything about it. So it's not only dangerous, it's also very, very dehumanizing. It's more dehumanizing than the previous one. So this is the future we dread of. This is the future we think it's going to destroy humanity. But if you think about the apps nowadays, the AI application nowadays, the most popular one was Devon. I think Devon is an application that is set to remove all the developers. Everyone hates that. Everyone hates that app, and you will getting all that kind of a black boxed AI applications. I don't like that. This something about it makes me, I feel it's disgusting. Okay, it's dehumanizing. I don't know. I don't like that kind of concept. So come back to the previous one. The perfect airplane is it can be fully operated by human, and it can be fully autopiloted by AI. Let me repeat. The perfect airplane or the perfect AI application can be fully operated by humans and fully operated by AI. That's how we designed RightPlace Husky Agents. If you look at RightPlace, we give you all the tools. You can click through all the buttons. You can click through spreadsheet plugins. Everything can be operated by human. You don't need AI. Forget about AI. Just forget about. We talked about AI. AI is gone. Not there. AI. We don't need AI. I don't need to. I don't want to put my Anthropic API key. Just turn it off. Turn it off. RightPlace still works. 100%. 100%. You can also use a Husky. Things that you don't want to do. As a human, you are in charge. That is not your neighbor's dog. That's your dog. You can train it. You can make it friendly towards you. You can make it understand your agency operation. And you can help your colleague who's not in work today. So we want to build something that is humanizing, friendly, and that's why I named the dog. Named the feature RightPlace Husky Agents. So that's what we want to build. I think Cursor is a really good example. Windsurf is all good example. They're not there to destroy developers. They're there to help developers to open up a new possibilities of coding. And to be honest, when I work with the Windsurf or Cursor tools like Cursor, I actually feel joy. It actually makes me really fun to work with them. So it actually made coding more enjoyable. I can forget about all those chores that I don't really care to do, I can let cursor agents to finish it. I can concentrate and focus on what I want to do and what I'm really good at, and something that I don't want AI to take away. And I also bought a really good mechanical keyboards. I like type them. If I feels good, it feels that I type it. It feels good. I'm looking at the code. Those joy of work is no one can take it away, right? No one can take it away. That's how we designed RightPlace Husky agents. So yeah, I just want to share some of my views on AI. If that makes sense to you, that'd be great. But anyways, I'll go back to I have to work on the Gutenberg's. There's some bugs I need to fix ASAP before. So I will talk about Gutenberg's in other videos. But thank you so much for watching this. If you watch it this far, see you later.